Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to connect two pairs of Bluetooth earphones into either a PC or a TV. And this will pretty much work with anything that has a headphone jack. So for example, if you have a tablet or a smartphone with a headphone jack, then this will pretty much work for that as well. So right off the bat, you'll need a Bluetooth transmitter/receiver that can accept a minimum of at least 2 Bluetooth earphone connections. And your laptop most probably cannot do this with its integrated Bluetooth adapter. If you go ahead and try, you'll see that it won't work. So you'll need a Bluetooth external adapter. The one that I have here is from Archeer. They did send this out to me to review quite a while ago, which I did. And the good thing about this Bluetooth adapter is it has low latency, so there's no audio video delay. So anyway, I'll be showing you how to do it with this device, but if you are interested in checking out a different Bluetooth device, I'll have some others listed in the description below. And you can choose any, but the idea is you want something that has very low latency, so you won't have to suffer that audio delay. And you also want to make sure that it can pair with at least 2 separate pairs of Bluetooth earphones. So I'll be choosing a few good inexpensive ones, and I'll drop a link to them in the description below. So let's get started. So first off, you're going to make sure that you're in TX, which is transfer mode. The next thing you're going to do is, if you're connecting this to your laptop, you're going to make sure you're set on auxiliary mode. Then you're going to grab your auxiliary cable, plug that into the auxiliary port on the device, and then you're going to plug the other end into the headphone jack on your PC. And the auxiliary cable is pretty much this cable right here. Now for your TV, if you have a headphone jack on that, you can do the same thing as well. But if you don't have a headphone jack on your TV, then you most probably want to use the SPDIF ports, which is the Sony Philips digital interface. So if you're using the SPDIF ports, you're going to put that switch onto SPDIF. Then you're going to grab the digital cable, put that into the SPDIF in, and then you're going to plug the other end into the SPDIF out in the back of your TV. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to put both of your Bluetooth earphones into pair mode. And in most Bluetooth earphones, this can be done by holding the on button until you get the blinking flashing lights. Now on the Bluetooth receiver/transmitter, you're going to go ahead and turn that on. In my case, I do that by pushing the middle button. Then you're going to put the transmitter receiver into pair mode. So for me, I do that by pushing this refresh button right here until I get the green flashing lights. And this would indicate that it's now in pair mode. So once you're done with that, your Bluetooth earphones should automatically pair up and you're pretty much all set. And as you guys can hear, audio is coming out from both earphones at the same time. Now if your earphones didn't pair successfully, try again and this should solve the problem. So the device will last you for about 12 hours on battery. Once the battery dies out, you simply just charge it back up with the included micro USB cable. One more thing is to make sure that you are using a good pair of Bluetooth earphones, because if you aren't, then you will definitely get that audio delay. And this goes with both of the earphones that you plan on using. I'll have some low latency, inexpensive pairs in the description below so you can check that out as well. So guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video tutorial did help you out. If it did, please do leave a like. For now, thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll catch you on the flip side. You also have these amplifying buttons here on the device so you can lower and raise the volume. So it's like a click amp, you know, instead of the actual dial, you have one of these. You have to really lower the volume there. You can really raise up the volume as well. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I definitely hear that.